what this year tete leke into your tea why you body you make her wo ye dia e me de me mpa abone se otwe dia mpon nankasa obeto ni supa egu abrabo so usikasem wapomodni wade sua no aware so na aso aba na wanya bi ate na dankwa mo hia me awama me so bi wo se me sen amen aha aya Adom TV na dwumedi we ye Nkuranhyensem mre me am ti dwama me de ho chia me edi am je so e osomfo ni teko tego ba ko pe ene so me to so aka ni awoyo ni amamra ese odi bubura won se okoto kaya ebeya dine se ode kan makosi eposo okokro bite la anampo temasa utwi kan wo epono so there be cars are made to function on the streets. Chasi nam anakai so obetwi wo moto we ne kwan so saa so na plane wo we entimi sikwan mu enante etufa wiemu. So everything that was made for a reason and a purpose. Wo di banchi dua che form so banchi wo dua bayire etia so bayire kontomire ase menkene wo ho mango dua so mango dua. Everything that was made with a material to bear certain things. Therefore, God also gave you a mind for a reason. Nyankopon wanfa wadwena nche obi adwene mu. Wadwene ekura wo no de hyewutim. And obo wo se ne seso. So God may give you a mind to carry out the mandate to live according to his attributes. Na mechira no ma bia se utimi ehunu so yie. Sentia onyame boss de obo wo. Dedi kan God gave you the power of reason as a human being. Onyame ma otumedi a etimi adwene esakansem mu. Ehumi Yakopon humi go mu no, the breath that God shared with you was a breath of his attributes in you. You don't have to just know God, just to pray to God, just to fast, but you have to represent God in your capacity as a human being. Yes, there be that was you, ye father can be so. So ultimate death to be a dinner kasa onyame na nam we. Onyame no ne hwan oyo obo ade. Onyame ne hwan okan sempa. Onyame ne hwan oda wodo adi. Onyame ne hwan onyame ye nkwa nje se o man nkwa eba ne omam. Oti na meka na se. Onyame no o ma hoto asa nipa. Se kasa obi man nkwa ba wiase a wo ye ne ye bi a eka obi akoma. Na kasa papa we ni oba we o ma me ho atome. Is one nipa na nkwa. Ye kasa wo ye nkwa asa wa fa de we no asakra mu na afoforo. So you are a person who are made to give life to non-living things. As a carpenter ni ohunu nua na osisi nua de yakonwa ne mpa wama enkwa aba nua mu. Enti wo so de na wama nkwa aba mu to show that you are God. In fact, God gave you a mind to reason, to think, to process information, to make judgments, to have a viewpoint, to have understanding, and to come to conclusions, and to formulate ideas, and to imagine the future. When I mean, I join them on the mood, Papa said, "I bet me, I try funny," said, "I would dash him by now, Bemu." Imagination. So, but you funny or dashing. Say, best says in a moment, a 50 no moment, the again, not what didn't you actually, not a more brother, into I do one for more. And one for I show beans, I say, when you put in piano and in and on your next there be. God gave you a mind of your own. And therefore, you need to develop that mindset to be in alignment with God's thinking patterns. Now, no, so for we say, indeed, his thoughts are not your thoughts, but you can learn to think like God. Your thoughts are not my thoughts, but you can learn to think like me if you study my values. So, so you can think like God by understanding the values that underpin God's thinking patterns and behavior. then you can think like God. Ya sorry, atramos, do you yeda? Esa se subane, and in the years I say, you're done a deal, no. Ayira na pare ye de ane se ahye address Sunday ye da was hey na so for be jina na so for na dwa no sa ne apon sabi ye so for nya na dwa manu asore ko ay adesuande a se wosua na wunu nyame su ne ban na na di wabrabom ke ne sa ke ho beto yen e de na so bo nyankopon o Christo ni we are Muslim. What are the values that you are pursuing in your life? What values inform your decisions and choices? Are they the values of the world or the values of God? Don't forget, you are made a vehicle. You cannot ride on the ocean or the river. So when you begin to change God's attributes, you are becoming like a car placed on a sea. You will drown or you rust. Onipa, so we see Nyankopon su ne ba o de hye wo mu na pese oba dia opa optete pansam ene ene dodo na atete pansam dodo na awe nsa ewuo dodo na ware aseye woni a ebrabrabo mu no enyina so ne se ya atete Nyankopon su ba na atete pansam no ene ebre. You know what? Whatever be the case, don't forget that God gave you a mind to reason. God gave you a mind to think. Wan fa wa dwena nkɔhye obi adwene mu. Wode wa dwene ehye wo nkwa wutimu. Enti emre do ese wo sesa mu na obi sa say ade enti Nyankopɔn ma na adwene. Wa fa ma dwena nkɔma me kura na me yere. Ade Nyankopɔn fa ma dwena hye papa de ma me etim na ode ma de ma me. Se ebeya amedwene adwen foforo se ebeya amedwene se onipa a onyame abɔ ne se so na medi kan afifi nemam na madwene wo kyena ho bebo me brand na dem adwen ma me no. You know what? We live through the cultures of the world, but it is time you define your own culture based on the values of God, based on the vision of God for your life. Onyame obo wo no o ni sade hunu bi o de bo wo. Why did God make you? Sorry, why did God make you? I didn't go upon your war, said I would tell you, if you just go to an answer. Show him that you are not sure any no so. Now, I won't say warfare. O sumbo, now that's uncle. And many pebia entities at Antadia, and I may be a senior my family on the table. Now you yame mapa. Sibran Gina Precope, Nakaton say, I am an image of God. And I'm mandated to follow the mandate given to me by God by re-engineering the attributes that God gave me. One of the attributes is for me to be able to think and to imagine my future. Onyame show the norm show ma. Oma timi abetimi adwene abrabo mu a ede nyansa bata abrabo ho na bebe wadu no wabo atra na yede adware wo. Sempo betimi ahwe wo kina na wahye so kina de ebe yi asene na wadi akire idea sefata. That makes you follow the mandate of God. I told you, one of the attributes of God is the power of thinking. Dwanjunepa, nyensuye papa, ne se fire juma. Ena me no besie. Edi am jeso eye ni tekotego. Ohwe me da se pa nyame nhira wate. Na me na Adom TV adwuma ekofo nyina ase ni production team. Thomas, Priscilla, ena eja webek ampedu. Ena mo amugu Adom TV amobo aye nyina adwumadi ba ye. Onyame nhira mo. Na men kanchira wo se woni onyame ntina enya fide ne mfiri na koso na hwe badwuma di no